Jai Hind friend, the today's topic is green hydrogen. So we are going to take a little bit of overview about green hydrogen. So first we saw that how many kind of hydrogen. So there are three kind of hydrogen. The first one is gray hydrogen, second one is blue hydrogen, and the third one is green hydrogen. So now I am going to tell about the gray hydrogen. So it constitutes India's bulk production and it extracted from hydrocarbons like fossil fuel and natural gases, and the byproduct of the gray hydrogen is carbon dioxide. So it's really a dangerous. So now the second one is blue hydrogen. Okay, it's sourced from fossil fuels, and the byproduct of blue hydrogen is CO and CO2 both. And the plus point of this hydrogen is the byproduct of this hydrogen are captured and stored, so it's more better than gray hydrogen. So now we are talking the last one, which is green hydrogen. So it's generated from renewable energy like solar, water. So you think that how this hydrogen will be made? So it's made when the electricity splits water into hydrogen and oxygen, and the byproduct of the green hydrogen is water and water vapor. Okay, when we talk about India, then India will soon join the National Hydrogen Energy Mission. The short form is NHEM, and the global target is to produce 1.45 million tons of green hydrogen by 2023. And the current situation of India. So currently India import around 5.5 million tons of hydrogen in the form of fossil fuel. And if we talk about the Asian region, then Japan and South Korea are on the front foot in terms of hydrogen policy making. So producing green hydrogen in India can become most effective, which will not only guarantee energy security but also ensure self-sufficient gradually. Okay, if India made green hydrogen, then it focus on low carbon transition. You know that hydrogen may be lighter than air, but it will take soon heavy lifting to get the ecosystem in place. So now we are talking about what are the key steps. So the first key step is decentralized hydrogen production must be promoted, and the second one is we need mechanism to ensure access to round the clock renewable power. The third one is we must take steps to blend green hydrogen in existing processes, especially the industrial sector. The fourth one is policymaker must facilitate investments in early stage, and the fifth and the last one is India must learn the experience of the national solar mission and focus on domestic manufacturing. So it is really a short video, but I think you enjoy this video and generate some little bit of knowledge. So meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.